Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into NOTMEME, an agent AI token on the Solana blockchain, and guiding you on how to acquire it. First, let's define NOTMEME. It's an agent AI token that operates on the Solana blockchain. Its purpose lies within its ecosystem, potentially offering utility related to specific AI functions. In the crypto market, NOTMEME has a certain market cap and volume, placing it in a competitive landscape. Understand NOTMEME. It's crucial to know about the Solana blockchain, a high-performance network with low transaction fees and fast speeds. NOTMEME chose Solana for its scalability, cost-effectiveness, and speed advantages. You can buy NOTMEME on MEXC Global and RAYDIUM. MEXC Global is a centralized exchange, CX, offering a user-friendly experience and potentially higher liquidity, but it requires KYC and involves centralized control. RAYDIUM, a decentralized exchange, DX, on Solana, provides no KYC, direct wallet interaction, and permissionless trading, but it carries the risk of impermanent loss and potential slippage. Buy on MEXC Global, you'll need to create an account and complete KYC verification. Then, fund your account using crypto or fiat, keeping in mind deposit limits and fees. Finally, find the NOTMEME trading pair and place buy orders, choosing between market and limit orders, and confirm the transaction. Or RAYDIUM, start by setting up a Solana wallet, like Phantom or Solflare, and securing it. Fund your wallet by transferring SOL from an exchange or another wallet. Connect your wallet to the RAYDIUM platform and swap SOL for NOTMEME, locating the NOTMEME pool, adjusting slippage settings, and confirming the transaction. And remember, it's crucial to do your due diligence by researching the NOTMEME team, roadmap, and community to understand its long-term vision. Be aware of the crypto market's volatility, which can lead to significant price fluctuations. Prioritize wallet security and avoid phishing scams. And specifically for RAYDIUM, understand the impermanent loss associated with liquidity pools and learn strategies to mitigate this risk. In summary, we've covered the buying process for NOTMEME on both MEXC Global and RAYDIUM. Remember to research thoroughly, manage your risk carefully, and invest responsibly. Consult the project's website, social media, and official resources for more information. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.